Hello, this video shows 6 hot dropshipping products for business growth. The first item is the wireless cabinet light. With a novel design and practical functions, this product ranked in the top 3 of Amazon's new product hit list. It won wide ear recognition, showing its huge market potential. The soaring search trend indicates its hit potential. Judging by social media feedback, this product is popular among many users. Its wireless design offers convenience and wide adaptability, perfectly fitting fast-paced life well. Its smart sensing and adjustable brightness, in line with the environmental trend, are highly appealing to consumers. With the booming smart home market, the demand for practical items like this is soaring, ensuring good sales. The next one is the paint spray. The product has passed buyers' real-world tests, getting high reviews. It ranks 7th on Amazon's new product list, showing its popularity. Google's search trends indicate a stable market with no sales concerns. The product is ideal for marketing videos and has drawn much attention on TikTok. It's easy to operate, so novices can start quickly. Also, the adjustable spraying caters to diverse scenarios, greatly attracting larger buyers. Its small size leads to lower logistics fees and contributes to keeping more margins. The third one is Bible tabs with stickers. With a 4.8 rating, over 90% favorable reviews and no low-star negatives. Being on Amazon's Office Hot New list, it offers high exposure and great potential. As shown, its market demand is surging. Its TikTok videos have garnered numerous likes, indicating high popularity and greater potential to attract customers. This item helps users quickly locate and organize scriptures, enhancing the reading experience for in-depth Bible study. By working with SourcinBox, you get quality-assured and reasonable price sourcing links, ensuring the word-of-mouth of your store and profits. Look, the fourth one is the portable printer. It has market-recognized quality and high user satisfaction. 6th in Amazon's office supplies, showing strong competitiveness and easy consumer discovery. The Google search trend chart shows several popularity peaks, indicating its potential for growing market demand. High TikTok likes to prove users recognize its portability and practicality. This upgraded product features wireless connectivity and portability, making it ideal for any occasion in today's fast-paced world. Its simple operation and ink-free design are both user-friendly for beginners and environmentally friendly. The 5th one is the micro stitcher gun. Highly rated by buyers, it's on Amazon's best-selling new list. Great reputation, high popularity. On TikTok, product-related videos by many users have won much recognition, enhancing the market hit again and easing your later marketing pressure. Its portable design and easy operation enable on-the-go sewing, attracting orders more easily. Also, it's versatile, handling various fabrics like silk and denim, meeting diverse customer needs. Add this potential item to your list now. Last but not least is the Apple Peeler. Google's search trends show stable demand for this kitchen labor-saving gadget, making it an evergreen product for sale. High TikTok views and likes in a short time prove its practicality and popularity. It peels apples safely and fast. Partner with SourcinBox and link your store in one click to get this quality and low item. Get your one-to-one service and boost sales.